Hello friends, it's summertime now and we are all enjoying our light meals like curd rice, khichdi, etc. But sometimes to balance with it, we need some little spicy thing to go along on the side. So let's prepare Kairi ka Kachumber. Raw mango is in season and let's go and prepare the Kairi ka Kachumber. To make the Kachumber, we'll require 1 raw mango, 1 small onion, 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of spicy chilli powder, any variety, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 pinch of Asafoetida. Now wash the raw mango well and wipe it. Peel the mango. Select a very firm mango for this. If the mango is soft, the kachumber will become mushy. Now peel the onion. Cut it into pieces. Add the garlic also to it. Cut the mango into pieces. We are going to put it into the chopper. It makes it easier when they are cut into small pieces. You could make this kachumber by grating them also, but I prefer the chopper method. Discard the core. Now transfer everything into the chopper. The mango, onion, garlic and all the spice powders and salt, except the oil. Now the chilli level can be adjusted as per your taste. You can add less or more as you like it. Now close the chopper and grind it lightly. We need a coarse texture. It is just perfect. Let's taste for salt. Add if anything is needed. Now we are going to remove it into the serving bowl. The kachumber is ready. The salt, the spices, everything is just perfect. You can actually serve it the way it is without the addition of oil. But you have to finish it in a couple of days. The kachumber is ready for you. Now we are going to add the oil. Place a small pan and pour the mustard oil into it. Bring it to a smoking point. Heat it well, as the mustard oil requires to be heated very well to remove the smell. Once you see the smoke coming out of it, switch off the gas and mix the oil into the kachumber. It's ready to be served. Delicious Kairi ka kachumber is ready.
So friends, here is the Kairi ka kachumber that we made. Look at this lovely color. Looks so inviting, isn't it? It surely is a treat for spicy food lovers. And friends, adding the oil is entirely optional, up to you, because if you add oil, it stays longer. Because of the onion content, it might get spoiled in a couple of days. So you make small quantities and consume fast if you are not adding oil. This will really taste good with anything, parathas or even dosas, whatever. Let's check how the taste is. Amazing. Tastes divine. A treat for spicy food lovers like me. You must try